Looking at us from the heavens where life is eternity, they must see us as lightning moving in a storm. As we look up, they look down, waiting for little flashes to come from afar, waiting for that one, good one, to light the sky and cause the world to rumble long after it's gone. I'm out here looking at a lightning storm. Oh, it's amazing. Amazing to see it go over the city. But yeah, I had an incredible month last month to go along with. Over 800,000 steps I took. And a little break tonight just to kind of regroup. I'm going into a long weekend and I want to accomplish quite a few steps over the 3 days. Well, even starting tomorrow night. But yeah, this is spectacular. This is my fireworks for all the effort of going out there and moving. But boy, it's a beautiful night. I haven't seen a lot of lightning storms here in Halifax, so this one's a little different. But I thought I'd share it with you. And of course, that little poem I wrote half a life ago, I guess, in my early 20s. Yeah, I called it Genius. But yeah, every time I look at lightning, I think of it. Anyways, the more we move others. Sometimes like lightning.